very important. Listening and speaking. By listening, we improve our communication, and by listening, what happens? We pronunciation, sentences structure, everything we can improve by listening. Yeah. We can do shadowing. First listen and then repeat it. Are you getting me?
Yeah,
Yes.
and audible both.
Okay. So first of all, I'm saying good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am fine. How about you?
I'm also fit as a fiddle. And what about you?
I'm
From
also
where are
fine.
you? Because we are talking first time. Will you introduce about yourself now?
Yeah, why not? And thanks for giving me this opportunity. My name is Dolly. I came from Patna. Currently, I live in Delhi. If you know about my hobbies, my hobby is listen to music and another. Now I learning this language, and I have completed my B.Ed. That's about me. Could you introduce yourself?
Okay, why not? My name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a one kid that is daughter that is 1 year. I am homemaker as well a YouTuber also. Now I am working on my communication skills. So do you have any topic that we can discuss in this? If you have
Dear, your voice is too much slow.
how so? Okay, now it's okay. Is it breaking or slow?
Don't know why. Okay, what you
I
asked?
I am saying, do you have any topic for discussion?
Yeah, why not? It is
Okay.
we are beginner and we are learning this language. So you can share with me how can you improve your journey, like how you improving your English, and which area like you are improving outside with them anyone, and you are improving your English at home alone.
Okay, I am improving my English alone because I don't have any partner and there is no environment at home as well. So what I do, sometimes I do practice with my daughter. Yes, I speak with her small sentences. And if we don't have any partner, so what can we do? There is a Skype app. We can talk on that. Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible but not.
Okay,
Oh
so
dear.
now you know that if we don't have any partner, we can go for Skype app. This is totally free. Yes, and there
Okay.
we can do practice and we can get confidence. And that time, you know that I was not making conversation videos. My confidence level was very low. I have seen myself when I started my conversation. Now I have confidence to speak, and I can speak with someone without hesitation.
Okay, that's a
Yes, and
great.
I am in practice like that. And whenever we don't have any, if suppose there is person like that, they have no internet, good internet. So what can they do? They can listen any audio English speech. They can go for English speech. There are, very fluent English speaker, and their English is very well. We can listen them and try to make video. Whatever we listen, we have to imitate them. By
Oh
that they
yeah.
can yes, it is a good way. And for this speaking practice, speaking is more important. Suppose we are practicing for listening, we are writing, we are reading, still we are not speaking, we can't we improve this language.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, dear. Your voice is really too much slow, so I can't proper hear here.
Okay, I think volume. Now is it okay?
No,
Now,
can I cut this session and again I start?
okay, we will add this. I will add
Because
this. Okay,
your voice is not proper coming.
okay.
We are
I was
watching
saying
movie.
speaking is more important. Suppose we
Speaking
are
is
doing
more
listening
important.
and
Okay.
speaking.
Yeah.
Listening and speaking, both are very important. All things
Yeah.
are important. We should read, we should write. But in my opinion, both are very important, listening and speaking. By listening, we improve our communication, and by listening, what happened? We pronunciation, sentences structure, everything we can improve by listening. Yeah. We can do shadowing. First listen and then repeat it. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you think? What should people do for improving? So-
Yeah, I am also like learning this language, and yes, I want to become a teacher, so it is more important for me. Like I want to become a teacher, and I teached in a school also. Before 2 years I teached in a school, so that time I teached all subject, but now I am learning this language, and I will be a teacher in future. So I have to only one goal. I will be a English teacher, so I learning this
Yes,
language,
this is
and I have to like practice every day, one or two sessions, like audio call and video call, both are.
go
So
there. Look,
it is improving my English.
my daughter, she was, sitting on corner. If I do not look her, she will fall down. That's why I keep her in middle.
Okay.
She get up. Okay, so if suppose we are doing practice, suppose now you can start like a teach to children English. By that you can improve your English very easily. But in my home, they are not children for teaching. I am trying to teach children that by that I can improve, but I am not getting children. You know that nowadays they are in all home that they are getting tuition, they are giving tuition, so there are not more children in every
Yeah,
home they are
and
giving tuition.
yeah, I agree with you. And like English is global language, so we like anyone want to learn this language. And I am seeing, like I am watching on YouTube, every women's are too much excited to learn this
Women,
language.
every women,
Yeah,
women cannot add because that is
yeah.
freedom.
So it is like a global language, so like we have to go anywhere, like out of country, and we want to speak with anyone, like foreign, with foreign, and we are going like out of country, so we can proper connect with them.
Yes,
Yeah,
suppose we have children and we are going to parents meeting, then also it is very important. If we know English, we can talk with teachers in English.
yeah,
And if suppose we don't know, our children know English very well, what will happen that time? We will feel very bad.
yeah.
Other children's like a parents are speaking and we are not able to speak, that time we feel.
Yeah, and I want to say like one thing, like before 2 or 3 months, I had like one uh, fun, like anyone make fun on me, like at my home, like I am say sad, anyone somebody's came at my home, so they are guest, they were guest, and they have to finish like over uh, dinner also in night, so they went back to his home. So I said okay, bye bye, see you again. Yeah,
Okay,
see you again. And what I said, something said, so they come soon, I said come soon, so they said I'm not come soon. They listen in Hindi. I am not come soon, like I मैं कम सुनता नहीं हूँ, मैं अच्छे सुनता हूँ. So I decided how can improve my English with like anyone. They don't know English, so am afraid with English that time. So my husband said, "You don't afraid with English because they didn't know English. and you
Yes,
have to practice, like at home, at alone, because you have environment, you have your daughter, say I
yes,
have
yes.
daughter, say is a study in 6th class, so she speak always with me english, in english.
It is a
Yeah,
good. If
yeah,
you got partner, I am also, when my daughter will grown up and she will speak with me and I will get partner because of her. And she can speak because of her mother.
yeah,
This
and
is good.
she,
If we don't have any partner, we can practice with our children.
yeah.
Yes,
And
we can.
I also speak alone, like in my kitchen, in my
Yes,
room, like
yes,
I am alone, without anyone, I alone at my home, so I have like work, too much work in kitchen also, so I work in kitchen, and like I am preparing food, vegetable, chapatis,
yes, yes.
rice,
That time you can
peels,
speak.
so I describe that thing. I am preparing this thing. I how much preparing this things, and which type of preparing vegetables. Like this, I have to practice.
Yes, and it is also if suppose we are going to sleep, and that time we should practice for listening. That is also good. If
Yeah,
we listen before sleeping, what happened? It comes in our mind. It turn around whatever we listen in our mind, and
yeah,
it comes automatically on our tongue. This is
yeah.
also when we go to sleep because we are going to sleep. We are not going to do any work now. That time we should listen. Listening practice, that time it is very good. Yes,
So do you have more questions, so you can ask me?
yes, I have a question. Suppose we are not fluencer now. Yes, our speaking is like on not on intermediate as well. We are like a more than beginner. Yes, we have confidence, but we are not improving. So what should we do? Because we are homemaker. We don't have enough time to speak. What are you doing for that? For becoming fluent English speaker?
First of all, I have to do like think in English only, because
Yes, yes,
English is not proper. Who were not don't know English, so first of all we have to know, think in English. After that we have to speak what I am thinking in my in our mind. So we have second, we have to speak with my mouth. So
yes,
I saying because I'm saying because I did, because I think in English too much, but I didn't speak before. And I have like I had like a first session with anyone, like so I was afraid too much, so I think in English. And after that I did start speak with my mouth what I am thinking.
yes. It is a
So
good. That first for thinking, there is also environment necessary. For
yeah,
if we are watching anything, we should watch in English. And if suppose we are talking, we should speak in English. Then it can happen. Automatically, we are not going to think. First, what we do, we think in our mother tongue. Then we
yeah,
translate because we
yeah,
are habitual with that.
yeah. And the
For
English
that,
is
we have to
difficult.
practice.
Yeah, yeah. English is difficult because we don't know English. We didn't know English because Hindi is our mother tongue,
Mother tongue.
and we know proper Hindi only. So we are learning this language. So it is difficult, being difficult for us.
It is, easy than Hindi, but we are habitual with that. That's why it is
Yeah,
happening.
yeah, yeah.
Because our mother tongue is English, that it will be very easy for us.
Hmm.
We not
Yes.
speak more. We speak like only 1 hour, half hour. But if suppose we are speaking at least 8 hours daily English, what will happen? You can see changes in 1 month yourself. You will
Yeah,
be fluent.
yeah,
Suppose you are sitting somewhere in English only. What will happen? You will see yourself. And in my coaching, before some years, like 4 to 5 years, I was taking class and my teacher was like me. she was not fluent, but she was teaching 8 hours daily. And in 1 month, I saw her that she was speaking very well English, but I was not like that because we were taking only 1 or 2 hour, 1 hour speaking, but she was speaking 8 hours. So we can see if we are speaking more, then we can speak fluent. We can become fluent.
Yeah,
Yeah. So it depends on
great.
practice only. We should do practice daily. It is not like that. One day we are doing practice, second day we are not doing.
Yeah, we should practice daily because like we have to anyone left our home, we have to
I think.